Hello everyone, how are you all? So I hope you are all fine. Yes, and here I welcome you all in mathematics class here. And today we are going to study the area between two rectangles. Okay, area between two rectangles. It is a part of mensuration only, and it is your second video for this week here. So now let's start, students. Here I have given some questions for finding the area between two rectangles. The first question here is that a rectangular grassy plot is 75-meter long and 60-meter broad. As you can see here, 60-meter broad it is. It has path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. Find the area of the path and cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter square. Okay, so what is the cost of constructing also? First you will find the area of the path, then only you can find, because the rate is given here, that rate is 125 meter per meter square. So you can say that let PQRS be the given grassy plot and ABCD be the rectangular. You can say it is the inside boundary of the path. Both are rectangular in shape. So this way ABCD, it is forming the internal boundary, inside boundary of the path, and PQRS is the total grassy plot, you can say. Okay, so the figure, it is explaining everything here that I have drawn here. You can see. So 75 meter is the length of the plot and 60 meter is the breadth. Now inside the path is going on, okay, and its path width is 2 meter. Okay, and now you can see the internal boundary of the path is, that is A, B, C and D, that is forming the internal boundary. This internal rectangle is forming the internal boundary of that. Its boundary, the internal rectangle boundary is forming the internal boundary of the path. Okay, then you can write that in the same diagram here, that length PQ is 75 meter given. Okay, you can see PQ and SR are equal. So if SR is 75, then PQ is also, this is also 75 only. Okay, and QR, that means QR is equals to PS. QR and PS both are widths. So QR is 60 meter. Then we can say area of the plot PQRS is length into breadth. That means 75 into 60 is 4500 meters square. This is the area of the plot. Then width of the path is 2 meter. You know that width of path is 2 meter. Then you will find the internal rectangle length and breadth also. So AB is the length of internal rectangle, that is 75 minus 2 into 2. From both the sides you will subtract the width of the path. So I have multiplied with 2. Width is also 2 meter. Width of the path is 2 meter, and you have to multiply by 2, because from both the sides you have to subtract the width of the path, then only you will get the length AB, that is the internal rectangle length. So AB equals to 75 minus 2 into 2. So 75 minus 4 is 71 meter. Then find the width of, that is AD or BC. They are equal. It is equal to 60 minus 2 into 2. Because 2 meter is the width, and that you are subtracting from both sides. So you will multiply total width of the path from upside here also and from here also. So 2 plus 2, that you will do 2 plus 2 or 2 into 2, that is 4. So that 60 minus 4 you will subtract. That is AD width is 56 meter. So AB is 71 meter here and AD is 56 meter. So now we know the length and breadth of the internal rectangle also and the external rectangle also. Then you will find the difference for finding the area of the path. Okay, that is area of the path which is outside this green portion. Okay, internal rectangle. So that area of the rectangle ABCD, that means internal green rectangle ABCD is 71 into 56, that you will find 3956 meters square. Now area of the path is very clear, that area of total external rectangle PQRS minus area of internal rectangle ABCD. So internal rectangle naming I have given, that is the name is ABCD. So this is very easy. In this way you can find the area of the path by subtracting the area of internal rectangle from the external rectangle. So that is forming 4500 minus 3976. So that you will get 524 meter square. So in this way, now rate of constructing the path is rupees 125 for 1 meter square. 125 per meter square. Then you will multiply this 524 with 125. So the total cost of constructing the path is 524 into 125, because per meter square cost is rupees 125. Therefore, total cost of constructing the path is 524 into 125. So its total cost is 65,500 here. Okay. Now the next question is that you can see here, a room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter wide is surrounded by 1.25 meter long veranda. Calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda, 8 rupees 80 per meter square. 8 rupees 80 per meter square. Then this rectangle we can consider for this question, that this ABCD is the total, you can say here EFGH I will consider, that is it is the veranda and it's outside there it is given. EFGH is the room, EFGH is the room forming an outside portion that you can see. It is the outside the EFGH, that is the veranda portion. Okay, reason you can say. Then calculate the cost of cementing. First you will find the outside reason, outside this room, what is the area of that veranda. That also the same process you will do. You will find the difference of external rectangle area and internal rectangle area. That is the process only. Find the difference between the area of external rectangle and internal rectangle. So let EFGS denote the floor of the room. That in the figure it is this given. EFGS denote the floor of the room. Then you can say the pink portion that is here, orange portion or pink, that is that portion represents the outside this region, that is showing the region for veranda. Okay, outside this EFGH, whatever portion given, that is for veranda here. Then length EF equals to 9.5 meter and breadth is FG, that is 6 meter. Okay, so EF is 9.5 meter and breadth FG is 6 meter. Then you will find area of EFGS rectangle is 9, length into breadth means 9.5 into 6. So that is 57 meters square. Therefore, now length AB is from both the sides, the width of the veranda you will add. 1.25 meter is the width. So 1.25 plus 1.25. You can multiply also by 2. Either you add it 2 times or you multiply with 2 into 1.25. So that will also give 2.5, and that 2.5 add to 9.5, then you will get that 12 meter. It is the length. Then breadth BC is 6 plus from both the sides this width 1.25 and 1.25 you are going to add. Okay, so 6 plus 1.25 plus 1.25 means 8.5 meter is the breadth of the room. Okay, and the length is 12 meter. So in this way, now you find the area of the rectangle ABCD, external rectangle ABCD is length into breadth means 12 into 8.5 is 102 meters square. So this is the area of external rectangle, and just the internal rectangle just you have found in previous steps. So now the area of veranda is, you can find the area difference of this. So area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle EFGH, that you will do. Then it is 102 minus 57. Just you have seen previous that area of EFGH is 57 meters square coming. So 102 minus 57, you will get 45 meters square. So in this way, now we will find the cost. Rate of cementing the veranda. You are putting the cement there. So rate of cementing the veranda is rupees 80 per meter square here again. Then the total cost of cementing of veranda is, what is the total area for veranda? You have just found 45 meters square. It is the area of veranda. So rupees 80 into 45 means 3,600 rupees is the total cost of cementing it. Okay, so this way you can solve the questions of the exercise now. Okay students, you can solve question number 4 to 14 of exercise 20B easily of mensurations. Okay, so thank you all of you, and do watch this video nicely for understanding this all questions and topics. So thank you all of you, and have a nice day.